Welcome to this lesson on rational equations. Today, we are going to learn a powerful technique to solve equations that contain fractions. Specifically, we will learn how to clear denominators using the least common denominator, or LCD method. This turns difficult-looking fraction problems into simple algebra. First, let's identify what we are dealing with. A rational equation is simply an equation that has at least one rational expression. In simpler terms, it's an equation where the variable, like x, appears in the denominator of a fraction. You can see on the screen the difference between a rational equation and a standard polynomial equation. Nobody likes working with complex fractions. They are messy and prone to arithmetic errors. Our strategy is simple. We want to eliminate the fractions entirely. We do this by multiplying every single term in the equation by the least common denominator. This cancels out the bottoms of the fractions, leaving us with a nice, flat equation. The key to this method is finding the correct LCD. The least common denominator must include every factor from every denominator in the equation. For example, if we have denominators of 3x and 3x, our LCD is 3x. It's the smallest expression that all the other denominators can divide into evenly. Here is the step-by-step algorithm we will follow. First, factor all denominators to see what we are working with. Second, determine the LCD. Third, multiply the entire equation by that LCD. Fourth, solve the resulting equation. And fifth, and this is crucial, check your answers to make sure they are valid. Let's look at our first example. We have x over 3 plus 1/2 equals x over 6. Our denominators are integers here, 3, 2, and 6. The smallest number that 3, 2, and 6 all divide into is 6. So, our LCD is 6. Now we multiply every term by 6. 6 times x over 3 becomes 2x, 6 times 1/2 becomes 3, and 6 times x over 6 becomes just x. Suddenly, we have the simple equation 2x plus 3 equals x. Solving for x gives us -3. Let's try a harder one with variables in the denominator. We have 1 over x plus 1/2 equals 5 over 2x. The denominators are x, 2, and 2x to cover all these bases. Our LCD must be 2x. We multiply each term by 2x. 2x times 1 over x is 2. 2x times 1/2 is x, and 2x times 5 over 2x is 5. This simplifies to 2 plus x equals 5. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we find that x equals 3. Before we finish, we must talk about the danger zone. In math, you cannot divide by 0. Because rational equations have variables in the denominator, certain values of x might cause a denominator to become 0. These are called excluded values, and they cannot be solutions. Sometimes, you will do all the algebra correctly and find a solution, like x equals 1 in this example. But if you plug x equals 1 back into the original equation, you might get a 0 in the denominator. This is called an extraneous solution. It looks like an answer, but it's actually undefined. Always check your domain. To recap, find the LCD, multiply every term by it to clear the fractions, solve the simple equation that remains, and always check that your answer doesn't make a denominator 0. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.